Once upon a time, in a quaint little village nestled between rolling hills, there lived a young boy named Leo. Leo loved to paint more than anything else in the world. One day, while exploring an old, dusty attic in his grandmother's house, he stumbled upon a peculiar-looking paintbrush. It was old and worn, with bristles that sparkled faintly in the sunlight. Intrigued, Leo decided to give it a try. The moment the paintbrush touched the paper, something magical happened. The vibrant colors began to swirl and dance on the page, transforming into a beautiful butterfly that fluttered right off the paper. Leo gasped in astonishment. The paintbrush was enchanted. From that day on, Leo embarked on countless adventures with his magical paintbrush. He painted towering castles, lush forests, and majestic oceans, all of which came to life before his eyes. Word of Leo's extraordinary talent spread quickly throughout the village, and soon, people from far and wide came to witness the boy and his wondrous creations. However, not everyone was happy about Leo's newfound fame. A greedy merchant named Mr. Grizzle heard about the magical paintbrush and became consumed with envy. He schemed and plotted, determined to steal it for himself. One night, Mr. Grizzle snuck into Leo's home and swiped the paintbrush while the boy slept. When Leo awoke to find his beloved paintbrush missing, he was heartbroken. But Leo was not about to give up. With the help of his friends, a clever fox named Whiskers, a wise old owl named Ollie, and a brave squirrel named Nutmeg, Leo set off on a quest to retrieve his paintbrush. They traveled through dense forests and over rocky mountains, solving riddles and overcoming obstacles together. Along the way, they encountered various magical creatures, each offering a piece of advice or a helping hand. After a long and arduous journey, Leo and his friends finally reached Mr. Grizzle's lair. With courage and quick thinking, they devised a plan to outsmart the greedy merchant. As Mr. Grizzle dozed off, Whiskers used his nimbleness to sneak past the guards, Ollie provided guidance from above, and Nutmeg distracted Mr. Grizzle with his acrobatics. Leo managed to snatch the paintbrush back just as Mr. Grizzle woke up. Mr. Grizzle tried to catch them, but Leo painted a swift escape route, a giant, colorful hot air balloon that carried them safely back to the village. Reunited with his magical paintbrush, Leo continued to create wonders that brought joy and amazement to everyone around him. And so, the little village flourished with endless beauty and happiness, all thanks to Leo and his enchanted paintbrush. And they all lived happily ever after.